So the first stock that we're breaking down this morning is Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right. So we're up almost 8% for the morning, you guys. And I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that a stock is in, and helps us find our support and resistance lines and all that other stuff. Okay. So this top line represented our major resistance line. You can see on the opposite side, we bounced here, and here, and on the upside working as resistance, you can see these two candlesticks getting rejected and over here. So this was a heavily tested area, you guys. And then down here is our major support line. You can see that we bounced here and here to where we're currently at, which I'll get into in a second. And you can see back on, under here we were working as resistance, and over here we're working as support. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys, and we have to respect these lines. Okay. So let's get into where we're at currently with this candlestick. You can see that we are still clearly under this down trend, or the trend line. So technically, yes, we are still in a downward trend. However, you can see that we're trying to create this reversal. This daily candlestick gapped all the way up into this minor resistance that we have. So like I said, this was a major support and resistance, and down here was a major support, but this is a minor. So we still have to keep that in mind. So it's trying to create a breakout, and that's exactly what we want to see for this to continue or to start a upward trend. So getting in right now wouldn't be the best ideal entry. We would want to see a confirmation of a reversal before getting in. So let's go down to the actual 1 hour chart and let's see how this looks. Okay. All right, so you can see that we came all the way down to our major support line, bounced from there, and then started this upward trend. Okay, you can see that we're making these higher lows, and we're almost there, you guys. We're almost at the 34-cent area, and this is exactly where we want to come up and test this resistance to see if we either create a breakout or we get rejected from this level. Okay, so we'll either break past this 34-cent level, which would create the ideal entry, which we want. So we want to come up over the 34-cent, come up and come back down and retest that as a support to create that higher low and basically start that reversal that we want to see. All right, and if we do come up and we start pushing back, then we know that we have relative weakness and that we are having trouble breaking past that resistance area, and from there on we would probably have to wait for a better entry, because more than likely it'll get rejected and start pulling back down to our major support line, which was back down here at the 26 or 25-cent area. So if we don't break past this 34-cent area, you guys, I will do an updated video on where we could be heading next. But as for right now, you guys, we want to wait and see if we can break past this 34-cent area and start this reversal. Okay, so getting in right now would be FOMO, you guys, and let's just be patient and wait for the best opportunity. So I just wanted to make this really short and sweet this morning. If I did that, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows us to create this content Monday through Friday. As you can see, we got a new camera, a new backdrop, and we'll continue to improve Wall Street traders as the years come along. Okay, so other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.